Today topics will be data blocks. So let's get started. Now in the right top corner we can see data API, some file names, versions, scenes, meshes, objects, everything is here. The next steps, we will go to File, Cleanup, Uniset Data Blocks. Next, Data Preview, Clear Data Blocks Preview, and click here on All Types. Alright, let's save this file. The next we will go to Preference, and sometimes some add-ons make weird things in the data blocks. So we will reopen Blender. And now you can see in data blocks we have additionals over 200 objects. And all these objects is stored in data blocks. Okay, now we will make the same situation, so cleanup. As you can see, we have deleted over 128 data blocks, all types, and we will reopen Blender. And you can see data blocks not deleted this, so we have some issues here, and only one method for now is to simply switch off of some add-ons. So always you need to open add-ons, install it, and check it all API information, because sometimes it can be cause some issues. When we turn off this add-on and we will reopen Blender, let's go to the data API. You will see now everything is cleaned up. So the next step will be, in the blend file data, you can see we create some box, and we have all information, and every steps you make it in Blender, it's stored here. So you can check it. One more important thing is materials. So let's make some new materials. Let's add more some. Okay, and for example here, this box use only one material, so we will click on the remove. Okay, so let's now clean up everything. I hope you liked the movie and it will be helpful. Best regards.